What's up guys, Lazuk Hasan here from wearemarketer.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create XML sitemap and how we can configure that on our website, and then how we can connect that XML sitemap with our Google Webmaster tool. So let's move on to my desktop and I'm showing you, walk you through a step-by-step process. Okay guys, in this video we are going to learn what is XML sitemap and how to set up and optimize the sitemap with Google. So first we need to know what XML sitemap is. XML sitemap is a roadmap to all important pages of your website. This roadmap guides Google to all main content on a website. XML sitemap is very important fact for your SEO. If you are focusing search engine optimization, this is really very important fact. So you can use an XML sitemap to make sure Google can find and crawl all pages you deem essential on your website. So how we can set up and configure that? So first we need to go to your WordPress admin panel and then go to your plugin section. Just click on add new. And now we need to install a plugin called Yoast SEO. So see, this is the plugin. We need to install this plugin, and then we need to click on active. Okay, so now the plugin successfully installed on our WordPress site, and see in the left side here have a menu called SEO. This is our Yoast SEO menus. So just click on SEO and check out that features menu. See, here have all of the features are enabled. Just check out this XML sitemap. See, this option is enabled. That means that plugin automatically created an XML sitemap for us. So if you click on this caution icon and click on this link, see, this is our main sitemap URL. So make sure when you are focusing on search engine optimization, you only added these two XMLs, one for post and another for pages. Sometimes here you will get categories and others XML sitemaps. So if you are focusing, remember, if you are focusing search engine optimization, then you need to enable only those two sitemaps. So now we need to log into our Google Webmaster tool. And go to your main website, click on this image or this link, and in the left side, see, here have an option called crawl, and here is sitemaps. Just click on sitemaps. Actually I already added the sitemaps. I am just removing this and I am showing you again how we can add that sitemaps on our Webmaster tool. So you will see like this. Just you need to click on this add or test sitemap, and in here you need to paste that links. So where you will get this is the main link. You do not need to copy full URL, just you need to copy this link and just copy it, and here you need to paste it. Okay, now click on submit. So now we already submitted our XML sitemap, and Google will take some time to check all of your contents. So after 24 hours you will check the progress status in here. So hope you understand how you can create, optimize and connect your sitemap with Google Webmaster tool. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe my channel for more update.